President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has directed turnover of flood control corruption findings to Ombudsman. Criselyn Catarong reports.
Ay lahat ng nakuha nila na impormasyon.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has instructed the Department of Public Works and Highways and the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to forward to the Office of the Ombudsman all documents and information they have collected so far regarding alleged irregularities in flood control projects raised by former House Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico. In a video message released on Friday, the President announced that the Ombudsman will take the lead in pursuing the separate allegations lodged by Romualdez and Co. According to President Marcos, the directive reflects his commitment to keep the public informed about the progress of the probe he initiated, covering ongoing investigations, potential cases, and the reforms being put in place to prevent the misuse of public funds in flood control and other infrastructure projects.
Ay nais kong ipalaman sa ating mga kababayan na ang ICI at saka ang DPWH ay lahat ng nakuha nila na informasyon ay ire-refer, ibibigay na sa Ombudsman para imbestigahan ng Ombudsman. Ito ay tungkol sa mga informasyon ng dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at saka ni Zaldico.
Marcos stressed that any action to be taken by the Ombudsman will be anchored on evidence. He noted that depending on what investigators find, possible charges could include plunder, anti-graft violations, or indirect bribery. The President expressed confidence in the Ombudsman's impartiality, saying it will follow where the evidence leads.
Pag nakita lahat ng ebidensya, baka mag-file ng kaso ng plunder o anti-graft o indirect bribery. Malakas naman ang loob natin na yung Ombudsman, ang ginagawa lamang ay sumusunod sa ebidensya. At kung saan tayo dinadala ng ebidensya, doon pupunta ang ating investigasyon.
Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Criselyn Catarong, SMNI News.